Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of exploration. It is the act of traveling in unfamiliar areas to learn more about them. For example, voyages of exploration. American pronunciation. Exploration. Exploration. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Exploration. Say. Exploration. Exploration means action of traveling in or through unfamiliar area. Exploration. Exploration. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The political impetus to push deep space exploration forward has essentially dissipated. Now, repeat after me. The political impetus to push deep space exploration forward has essentially dissipated. The second practice. Now tourism is just one of several new possibilities emerging in space exploration. Now, repeat after me. Now tourism is just one of several new possibilities emerging in space exploration.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.